Hello. Hashtag end poverty. Cassie, your timer starts now. Hashtag end poverty. And I think that should be the goal of humanity. Because looking at the current status of the Filipino right now, many are still in poor status. And that's something that I would like to eradicate. We can only do that, we can only end poverty if we help one another, if we take care of each other. And if we do that, poverty no more. Good evening.
And she believes that if you want change, be the change you would like to be.
with mental depression and anxiety as a member of the LGBT community, what are your thoughts and justifications for the generation today to end the stigma of early depression?
Thank you so much for that very serious question. Well, I believe that is considered to be the greatest battle of all time, yet it remains least spoken about. Why? Because people are suffering in silence, because they are afraid that someone might judge them. They are afraid to be judged and to be misunderstood by people around them. But let us all remember that mental health is not a sign of weakness. It's part of humanity. And just like how we care for our bodies, we must also care for our minds and our heart. And of course, first thing that we need to do to break this mental health and depression is to break the stigma. We have to create a culture where asking for help is not seen as shameful, but as an act of courage. We have to create safe spaces in our home, our schools, our employment, our community, a space where every single identity is loved and heard. And of course, education also plays a very vital role in combating challenges about mental health. Because you know, if we teach the younger generation the importance of empathy and compassion, we are raising a generation that not just chases for success, but prioritizes well-being. We must also remember that sometimes it's okay to pause. It's okay to heal. And it's okay not to be okay. Because at the end of the day, real strength lies not in hiding our pain, but in choosing to rise above it. Breathe.